You can see a man's face, but you will never know what's in his heart. His intentions only if he wishes to tell. An itinerary in motion and his courage to go on. There's an agenda he has to sell. A smile like elastic in your face. The implications are unknown. It's critical to hold an unfaltering stance without making his system your own. You can see a man's face, but you will never know his heart. Every man for himself. So create your own and magnify your aim. But if you're not a traveling man, you're always by yourself. My cable tow stretches far and wide. Every man deserving of relief. Whether or not my smile is for you or contrary to your own beliefs. You can see a man's face, but you will never know his heart. But the universe will soon expose his plans. Because the law of attraction does not take sides, and the subconscious doesn't know right from wrong. My brothers are secured no matter what. But one must understand, a ring means nothing without your heart, knowing out of many, we are one. You can see a man's face, but you will never, never, never know his heart. But it doesn't matter, because my mind is intact. So do as thou wilt. Go ahead and please yourself. One man down, it's only with love I react.